Hi guys, I got an order from Gina K Designs and I thought I'd take you along and show you what I got. So let's open it up, and yes, let me show you the newest knife. Sterling silver skull lanyard, skull bead. I did not make this lanyard or have this bead, but I needed a knife to open the box and he hands me this. He just got it today. So let's open it. Okay, it's done. It's done. I'm opening the box. Okay. And let's see what I got. So this was a whole kit that I bought. It's packed really well in here. Packed really, really well. This is convenient. Okay. So one of the stamp sets that I got, sorry, it's all stuck. It's bubble wrap that actually sticks. Okay. So this was the lace flowers set, and it comes with a die set too, but that's back ordered right now. I think a lot of people ordered it, so I have to wait for that to come in. But these are beautiful flowers. I thought I could put these in my boho journal, and I just liked it. And there's lots of sayings. It says wishing you a happy, and they have birthday, love and hugs, greetings, happy belated wishes. So I haven't bought a stamp set in a long time, so I got that. And then I got this die that just says happy, and it's got the shadow thing along with it. I got this stamp set. I absolutely loved. I had to get it, and I think that's why I did this order, because it was something that I never seen before. This is the Fancy Feathers set, and look how beautiful these feathers are. I just thought they were beautiful, and the sayings are, feathers appear when angels are near, better days are ahead, hope is the feather that reminds us we have wings, let go of what's weighing you down, and heaven gained another angel. Now, sometimes when you want to do a sympathy card, you know, a lot of them say with sympathy, and you know, so that's just another greeting to maybe think about for a sympathy card. But these are just gorgeous. I mean, I love them all. And it came with well, it didn't come with, I also got the die set, so it's got the 3 dies. These all work with the dies. I also got a stencil. So this is the, I forgot what flower this is, but it came with the whole bundle. And these leaves right here match right up. If you see, they have that curve, so they match right up. They butt up against any way you want to put it on here. And I got this stencil too, and I think I'll do a card with this. This came in the kit too. It's Summer Silhouettes. You know what I think I got? Let me see something for a second. Lace flowers. Oh no, I got that separate. Sorry. I'm thinking of something and I'm like, what? Okay. Sorry. Alright. So, this is the Summer Silhouettes. And this is nice. Like, you could put this on a card at the bottom and then put some of these leaves at the top and like do a sky scene with maybe some blues and pinks, or any kind of sky you want to do, or light blues, or maybe some clouds or something, and have that go. So, and these are, this says happy, wishing you day, birthday, you make me, happy anniversary, life together, summer, Sorry, Summer Silhouettes. That's just the name of the stamp set. For now, if you spend over, I think it's, if you spend over $50, is it? I can't remember. I don't know if it's $50 or $75. I can't remember. But she always gives you a free incentive kit. And the one they have this month is Never Lose Hope. I think if you order from her the very first time, she'll give you a whole, you'll get a regular size big stamp set for free. But if you spend over a certain amount, they always include these little ones. And let's say you buy something and you already know the incentive stamp, you can email them and say, I already have that stamp. Can I have this incentive stamp instead? And they'll give it to you because they have them all. They're on sale too. They're usually around $6 or $8 or something like that. So you can just say, oh, I want this incentive stamp instead. And they usually will change it for you. So this is really pretty. I like these butterflies. Each day is a new beginning. Never lose hope. Hello, friend. Spread your wings and fly. And I love my butterfly stamps, and I don't have anything like this. They're always coming out with different ones. And what also came in the kit was these pieces of cardstock that they'll be good to make cards with. We got 2 pinks. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's a design there, like a little circle design. We got 2 sheets of yellow, and that's the design there. 2 sheets of this blue, and they're like little stars. And 2 sheets of, it's like an ivory cream, and these are like little circles too. So these will be good card bases to use to make some cards with. So that's what came in the kit. I just wanted to show you. Maybe I'll do a couple of cards, you know, with them, and I'll make videos and we can make them together. So I just wanted to show you what I got. Happy crafting. Thanks for watching. They also give you this and it shows you what comes in it. So, thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.